Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to discuss about what exactly is a DML in SQL. DML stands for Data Manipulation Language, which is a part of a SQL used to work with our data inside a table. If you remember, DDL was used in order to deal with the structures like creating database, creating table, changing data type, adding columns, adding data type. Changing data type, dropping columns, renaming table. These things we did with the help of a DDL. When it comes to a DML, it completely deals with a data inside a table, not really with a structure. So this DML helps you in inserting new records into it, reading content of a table like select statement. It helps you in updating. Let's say you have a data and you want to update someone's name, or let's say you want to delete someone's record without changing the table structure. So that's where DML plays a very important role. So very first one we're gonna discuss is like an insert, which basically helps you in inserting new data into a table. Something like this, insert into table name. You just need to insert values. Then you have a select statement, which is responsible for retrieving the data. And then we have an update, which is responsible for modifying existing data. Let's say you have someone's phone number is wrong and you just want to update it. You can modify. And then you have a delete. Delete basically helps you in deleting record, which is not really important. Okay, so these are the different DML commands which basically helps you in manipulating the data inside a table. Okay, we'll explore one by one. This was just an introduction related to what exactly is a DML. I hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.